When it comes to maintaining artificial turf, ordinary tools just don't cut it. Meet the Turf Power Sweep, the professional-grade solution designed specifically for artificial grass. Powered by a 40-volt battery system, the Turf Power Sweep delivers serious performance with no cords, no gas, and no hassle. Just grab it and go. At the heart of the machine is a professional-grade nylon bristle barrel broom, engineered to reach deep into the turf. It pulls out stubborn debris like pine needles, pet hair, dust, and organic buildup, the stuff traditional rakes and vacuums leave behind. With 5 adjustable height settings, the Turf Power Sweep adapts to different turf styles and surfaces for a consistent, even clean every time. Debris is captured in a large-capacity collection bag, keeping your turf clean and your workflow efficient. An ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, and when the job's done, the fold-down design makes storage quick and easy. Whether you're a homeowner, facility manager, or turf professional, this is how artificial turf is meant to be maintained. Turf Power Sweep. Clean deeper, work smarter.